Hi students, welcome back to All Force e-learning online classes. In last 4 sessions, we discussed about a circle of different concepts. Now, the brief discussion about that points. The equation of the circle when center and radius of the circle are given is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. First, the equation of the circle when center and radius are given, its equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Next, the equation of the circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here g, f, c are parameters, constants. Center of the circle is equal to minus g comma minus f and radius is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, next. The second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represents a circle where x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, that is a is equal to b not equal to 0, and xy coefficient is equal to 0, that means h is equal to 0. At the same time, this equation represents a real circle when g square plus f square minus ac greater than or equal to 0. Okay, next. When the diameter endpoints of a circle are given, then equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus of x1 plus x2 into x minus of y1 plus y2 into y plus x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to 0 when diameter endpoints are given. Next, the equation of the circle passing through 0 comma 0, a comma 0 and 0 comma b is x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. Okay, next. The equation of the circle in parametric form. Equation of the circle in parametric form is x is equal to h plus r cos theta, y is equal to k plus r sin theta. Here h comma k is the center of the circle, r is the radius of the circle and theta is the parameter. The range of theta is 0 less than or equal to theta less than 2 pi. If the center of the circle is 0, 0, then parametric equation is x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. It is the equation of the circle in single parameter theta. Okay, next. Length of the intercept made by the circles on coordinate axis. The length of the intercept made by the circle on x-axis is 2 root g square minus c. Length of the intercept made by the circle on y-axis is 2 root f square minus c. If g square minus c greater than 0, the circle cuts the x-axis at two different points. If g square minus c is equal to 0, then the circle touches the x-axis. If g square minus c less than 0, then the circle neither touch nor intersect the x-axis. Similarly, y-axis. Okay, next. Notations. The equation of the circle in standard form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Simply it can be denoted by s is equal to 0. Here s is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Similarly, the notations s1 xx1 plus yy1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c. Similarly, s11 x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. s12 x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c. These are the standard notations. Next, position of the point with respect to circle. Generally, the circle divides the plane into three parts. First, interior of the circle, exterior of the circle, the circumference of the circle, that means the points on the circle. If S11 is equal to 0, then the point lies on the circle. If S11 less than 0, then the point lies inside of the circle. If S11 greater than 0, then the point lies outside of the circle. Inside of the circle means the region belongs to the circle. The region belongs to the center of the circle. That means, suppose the circle is in this way. Interior means in this region center lies or in interior of the circle. Okay. Exterior means does not lies this is the exterior. In this region, center does not lies. Okay. Next, on the circle means this value. S11 is equal to 0, the point lies on the circle, less than 0, interior of the circle, greater than 0, exterior of the circle. Next, power of the point. If Px1, y1 is any point in the plane containing the circle S is equal to 0, then the value of Cp square minus R square is said to be, Cp square minus R square is said to be power of the point. This value is automatically equal to S11. Power of the point is equal to Cp square minus R square, that value is equal to S11. To find the power, we find S11. Okay. If the point lies inside of the circle, power is negative. If the point lies on the circle, power is 0. If the point lies outside of the circle, then the power is positive. Okay. Next, shortest and longest distances from the given point to any point in the circle. Let S is equal to 0 be the circle and Px1, y1 be the any point in the circle. Sorry, in the plane containing the circle. Then the shortest distance from P to any point on the circle is equal to Cp minus R. If the point P lies outside of the circle, then the shortest distance is this value. This value is equal to Cp minus R. If the point lies inside of the circle, then the shortest distance is minus of Cp minus R. That means R minus Cp. Simply mod Cp minus R. In this case, the minimum distance is obtained at the point Q. For finding the point Q, the point Q divides the line segment Cp in the ratio of R is to Cp minus R. For getting the point Q, we divide the line segment Cp in the ratio of R is to Cp minus R. The shortest distance between the point P to any point on the circle is Cp minus R. Similarly, the greatest distance from P to any point on the circle is Cp plus R. Cp plus R. In this case, we get at this point, suppose say this point is R, capital R. This R divides the line segment Cp in the ratio of R is to Cp plus R externally. R is to Cp plus R externally. Shortest distance is Cp minus R. Greatest distance is Cp plus R. Okay. Next. Let us start problems. First one. The equation of the circle with radius 3 and a center as the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 1 is dash. The equation of the circle with the radius 3 and center as the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 1 is dash. From the given, radius of the circle R is equal to 3. Okay. Center is not given, but the center is the point of intersection of these two lines. For getting a center, we solve these two equations. What are the given equation of the lines? 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, one on the line. 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the second line. The center as the point of intersection of these two lines means first we solve these two lines. That is the center of the circle. By solving 1 and 2, we get the center of the circle. Okay. By subtracting these two values, we get 2x cancel. 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. That means y is equal to 1. Substitute the value of y in equation 1. 2x plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. That implies 2x is equal to x is equal to 1. Therefore, center of the circle is equal to h comma k is equal to 1 comma 1. Center of the circle is 1 comma 1. If the center and radius are given, what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So, the equation of the circle is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 square. It is the equation of the required circle. Next, second one. Find the equation of the circle passing through minus 2 comma 14 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 64x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. In this case, the circle passes through the point minus 2 comma 14. One of the point on the circle P is equal to minus 2 comma 14, and it is concentric with the circle x square plus y square minus 64x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. If the two circles are concentric, then their centers are same. Suppose it is one of the circle, it is concentric with this value. If the two circles are concentric, then their centers are same. Here, the value of g is equal to, compare this equation with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That means 2g is equal to minus 64, g is equal to minus 32, 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to minus 12. Okay, center of the circle is equal to minus g comma minus f, 32 comma 2. So, the center of the required circle is also 32 comma 2, since the two circles are concentric. So, center of the required circle is 32 comma 2. It is h comma k. Okay, and radius of the required circle is not given, but one of the point on the given required circle is given. This point is p minus 2 comma 14. Center of the circle is given. The distance between C and P is nothing but radius of the circle. So R is equal to CP. R is equal to CP. C is 32 comma 2. P is minus 2 comma 14. That means under root 32 plus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 14 whole square. So we find the value of radius. Now the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Substitute the value of h comma k, and this R, we get the equation of the circle. Our second method, the equation of the circle concentric with this circle is x square plus y square minus 64x minus 4y plus k is equal to 0. For concentric circle, center is same, gf values are same, but constant changes. Okay, so plus k is equal to 0. For getting k, this circle must be passes through the point minus 2 comma 14. Substitute the value of minus 2 comma 14 in this equation, we get k. Okay, finally we get k. Substitute the value of k in this equation, that is the equation of the required circle. Next, third one. If the centroid of an equivalent triangle is 1 comma 1, and one of its vertex is minus 1 comma 2, then the equation of the circumcircle is dash. From the given centroid of an equivalent triangle G is equal to 1 comma 1. The given triangle is an equivalent triangle. In an equivalent triangle, orthocenter is equal to circumcenter is equal to incenter is equal to centroid. All the centers are coincide. Suppose ABC is an equivalent triangle. This is the centroid. In an equivalent triangle, angular bisectors, medians, all of these are same. Okay, it is the centroid. Centroid G is equal to 1 comma 1, and one of the vertex of this equivalent triangle is minus 1 comma 2. Say A is minus 1 comma 2, or B is minus 1 comma 2, or C is minus 1 comma 2. In an equivalent triangle, centroid is also equal to circumcenter of the triangle. So the center of the circle is nothing but 1 comma 1. Centroid, that means 1 comma 1. Center of the circle. Circumcircle always passes through versus ABC. Here the radius is nothing but GA, that is SA. The radius is nothing but SA. Radius of the circle R is equal to distance from GA, that is equal to SA. Both are same. S is equal to G. The distance between S and A is under root 1 plus 1 whole square means 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 5. Radius of the circle is root 5. Center of the circle is 1 comma 1. Therefore, equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That implies x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 5. It is the equation of the circumcircle of an equivalent triangle. Okay. Suppose in this case, find the equation of the incircle. Incircle is concentric with this circumcircle. Incenter and circumcenters are coincide, concentric. So incenter of the circle is also 1 comma 1. Radius is equal to capital R by 2. Circumradius by 2, half of the circumradius. Already we find the radius here, capital R. So radius is equal to r by 2. That means root 5 by 2. Equation of the in circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to small r square. Okay. Next, fourth one. The dia of a circle or along the lines 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then the equation of the circle which also passes through the point 5 comma 7. Then the equation of the circle which also passes through the point 5 comma 7. One of the point on the circle is given. Say this value is p. 5 comma 7 is one of the point on the circle. Here center is not given. But dia of the circles are along these lines. Diameter of the circle is always passes through center. Say one of the line is this way. It is one of the diameter. Say another line is on this. These two lines must be passes through center of the circle. That means the point of intersection of these two lines is nothing but center of the circle. By solving 1 and 2, we get center C h comma k. By elimination method, solve or YCXY method, solve the value of solve these equations. We get the center h comma k. After finding the center, what is the radius? Radius of the circle is nothing but CP. It is the radius. R is equal to CP. Find the distance between C and P. If the center and radius are given, what is the equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay. To find this value. Next, fifth question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 2 comma 1, 5 comma 5, minus 6 comma 7. The circle passing through the points 2 comma 1, 5 comma 5 and minus 6 comma 5. What is the equation of the circle? To find the equation of the circle, first we assume the equation of the circle in standard form. Let us assume the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let us assume the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. In this case, g, f, c are unknown values. We find the values of g comma f comma c by using these given points. Suppose the point 2 comma 1 must be lies on the circle. That means 2 comma 1 satisfies this equation. Substitute the point 2 comma 1 in this equation. We get one of the relation between g, f, c. Similarly, second point 5 comma 5 also lies on this circle. So substitute this point in this equation. We get another relation. Minus 6 comma 7 another relation. We get three relations, three unknown values. By solving that equations, we find g, f, c. Substitute the values of g comma f comma c in this equation, we get the equation of the required circle. Okay. First, let us assume the equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here 2 comma 1 must be lies on the circle. That means substitute the value of 2 comma 1 in this equation. That means 2 square means 4 plus 1 plus 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. That means 4g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 5. It is equation number 1. Next, 5 comma 5 also lies on this circle. The circle passes through this point. That means 5 comma 5 lies on this circle. That means 25 plus 10g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. That means 10g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 50. It is equation number 2. Okay. Next, the point minus 6 comma 7 also lies on the same circle. Substitute minus 6 comma 7 in this equation. 36 plus 49 minus 12g plus 14f plus c is equal to 0. That means minus 12g plus 14f plus c is equal to 36 plus 49. That means minus 85. Okay. 9 plus 6, 15, 85. Or in RHS, it moves to RHS, it is minus 85. That means minus 12g plus 14f plus c is equal to minus 85. By solving these three equations, we get GFC. First, we eliminate c from 1 and 2. For eliminate C from 1 and 2, subtract 1 and 2. First equation is 4G plus 2F plus C is equal to minus 5. Second equation is 10G plus 10F plus C is equal to minus 50. Subtract these two equations. Minus 6G minus 8F CC cancel is equal to plus 45. That means 6G plus 8F is equal to minus 45. It is equation number 4. Next, eliminate C from 2 and 3 or 1 and 3. 1 and 3 or 2 and 3. No problem. By eliminate C from 2 and 3. By subtracting 2 and 3, 10G plus 10F plus C is equal to minus 50. Minus 12G plus 14F plus C is equal to minus 85. Okay. By subtracting these values, it is plus minus minus CC cancel. 10G plus 12G means 22G. Next, 10F minus 14F means minus 4F is equal to, it is plus 85. 85 minus 50 means 35. Okay. 22G minus 4F is equal to 35. It is equation number 5. By solving 4 and 5, we get the values of G comma F. By solving 4 and 5, we get GF. Substitute the value of G comma F in equation 1, we get C. Finally, we get GFC. Substitute these values in the standard equation of the circle, we get the equation of the circle. So, first we find the value of G comma F by using 4 and 5. By solving 4 and 5, fourth equation is 6G plus 8F is equal to minus 45, it is fourth. In fifth equation, we have 4F. So, we multiply on both sides with 2. Fifth equation into 2, 44G, next minus 8F is equal to 70. Okay. By adding 8F cancel, 44 plus 6 means 50G is equal to 70 minus 45 means 25. Okay. 70 minus 45, 25. G is equal to 1 by 2. The value of G is 1 by 2. Substitute the value of G in equation 4 or 5. In equation 4 or 5. Substitute the value of G in 4. 3 plus 8F is equal to minus 45. That means 8F is equal to minus 48. F is equal to minus 6. F is equal to minus 6. G value is equal to 1 by 2. F is equal to minus 6. Substitute the value of G comma F in equation 1. We get C. G value is 1 by 2. From 1. 4 into G means 2. Minus 12 plus C is equal to minus 5. That implies minus 10 plus C is equal to minus 5. C is equal to value 5. C is equal to 5. Therefore, equation of the circle, equation of the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2 of G means 1 by 2 into x plus 2 into F means minus 6 into y plus C means 5 is equal to 0. That means x square plus y square plus x minus 12y plus 5 is equal to 0. It is the equation of the required circle. It is actual method. But in objective, this method is not necessary. By verification, we find the equation of the circle. Please observe these points. Suppose the options are in this way. Suppose the options are in this way. First one, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Second one, x square plus y square minus x minus 10y plus 17 is equal to 0. Third one, x square plus y square minus x square plus y square minus x plus, already we find G is equal to minus 1 by 2. F is equal to something value C. Okay. So in this way, D option is something. Verification method. We find the equation of the circle by using verification method. 2, 1 lies on the circle. So substitute the point 2, 1 in option A. 2, 1, x is equal to y is equal to 1. That means 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 minus 15. Is it true or false? Check it. 4 plus 4 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 15 means minus 5 is equal to 0. It is meaningless. Minus 5 is equal to 0. It is meaningless. That is wrong. That means the point 2, 1 does not lie on this circle. So it fails. Suppose 2, 1 satisfies this equation. Check the point 5, 5. Verify the point 2, 5, 5. And also minus 6, 7. If all of these 3 points satisfies this equation, it is the equation of the circle. If 2, 1 does not satisfy, it fails. All the 3 points must be lies on the circle. Suppose 2, 1 does not lie, it fails. Substitute the point 2, in B second equation. That means B option. Suppose 2, 1 does not satisfy this equation, it also fails. C does not satisfy, this also fails. So the correct answer is D. The elimination and verification method. We can find the equation of the circle by verification and elimination method. Okay. Next. Sixth one. Find the equation of the circle passing through 4, 1. Find the equation of the circle passing through 4, 1, 6, 5, and whose center lies on 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. In this case, the circle passes through 2 points, 4, 1 and 6, 5. And at the same time, center lies on 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. In this case also, verify the options. First option. First two, suppose x square plus y square plus 2gx, suppose 2x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. Substitute the point 4, 1 in first option. If it does not satisfy, it is not answer. Next B, C, D. Verify the options. Similarly 6, 5. Here the center lies on this line. Center means, what is the center of the circle? Minus G, minus F. In the first option, you find the center of the circle, minus G, minus F. Substitute this point in this equation. If it is true, this is correct answer. Otherwise, it is false. It is the verification method. In actual method, we can solve the problem in this way. Let us assume x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 with the equation of the circle. In the previous case, we substitute the point 4, 1 in this equation. We get one equation. In the same way, 6, 5, we get another equation. Next, center of this circle is minus g, minus f. Center of this circle is minus g, minus f. This center must be lies on this line. That means minus 4g minus 3f minus 24 is equal to 0. That means 4g plus 3f is equal to 24. It is one of the equation. In this case, by substituting the point 4, 1, we get 16 plus 1 plus 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. That means 8g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 17. It is equation number 1. Substitute the point 6, 5. 36 plus 25 plus 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. That means 12g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 61. Okay. Eliminate c from 1 and 2. By eliminating c from 1 and 2, we get the equation in terms of g, f. By using this and this equation, we find the values of g, f, and substitute the value of g, f in equation 1, we get c. Okay. Finally, we get g, f, c. Substitute the values of g, f, c in the standard equation, we get the equation of the circle. Okay. Next, seventh one. If 0, 0, 2, 0, if 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 2, k, minus 2 are concyclic points, then what is the value of k? Here, the points are 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 2, k, minus 2 are concyclic. What is the meaning of concyclic? If 4 or more than 4 points lies on the circle, same circle, then that points are said to be concyclic. For getting the equation of the circle, 3 points must be required. So, first we find the equation of the circle passing through first 3 known points. It is the unknown value, k is unknown value. We know the equation of the circle by using first 3 points. These are in the form of 0, 0, a, 0, 0, b. Please observe these points. The equation of the circle passing to the point 0, 0, a, 0 and 0, b is x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2. Okay, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2. So the equation of the required circle is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. It is the equation of the circle. But these 4 points are concyclic. That means the fourth point also lies on this circle. So substitute the point k comma minus 2 in this equation, we get the value of k. We get the value of k. Okay. Substitute the value of k comma minus 2 in this equation, we get k square plus 4 minus 2k minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 cancel. K is the common term. K into k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 or k is equal to 2. But options are in this way. First option k value 0. Second option k value 2. Third option k value 1. Fourth option k value minus 1. It is a single correct answer, not a multiple. It is a single correct answer. What is the value of k? Suppose k is equal to 0, this point can be reduced into 0, minus 2. This 0, minus 2 is same as the third point. These two are coincident. That means from the given, these are 4 points, but these two are coincident. That means these 2 points are coincident. From the given, the 4 points are equal to 3 points. That means these two are identical. Okay. For getting the equation of the circle, we require 3 points. In the given, the points are only 3. That means we get circle. Concyclic is meaningless. In this case, the concyclic is meaningless. Okay. So these 2 points are identical. So k is equal to 0 is the meaningless. K is equal to 0 is the meaningless. If k is equal to, this point can be reduced into 2, minus 2. This point does not coincide with any one of these 3 points. That means it is the different. It is the fourth point. In this case, there is no fourth point. In this case, we get fourth point. Okay. Fourth point means this point also lies on the circle. So it is said to be concyclic. So correct answer is 2 is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. 0 is the wrong. At k is equal to 0, the given points are only 3. Concyclic is meaningless. Okay. Please note this point. Next. Eighth one. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 0 and 0, a are concyclic points, then a is equal to dash. A is equal to dash. The given points are 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, a are concyclic. Here 4 points are given. First we find the equation of the circle passing through these 3 points. Here there is any formula to find the equation of the circle directly. It is not in the form of 0, 0, a 0, 0, b. So we find the equation of the circle by using the standard form. So assume the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substitute the point 2, 0, we get the relation between g and c. Substitute the point 0, 1 in this equation, we get g and c. Substitute this point. We get 3 equations. By solving these 2 equations, we get g, f, c. Finally, we get the equation of the circle. Okay. Substitute the point 0, a in this equation, we get a. Okay. You can do this problem. Next, 9th one. A circle of a constant radius 3k passes through 0, 0 and cuts the axis, that means coordinate axis at capital A and capital B. Then locus of centroid of triangle OAB is dash. The circle of a constant radius 3k passes through origin and cuts the coordinate axis at capital A, capital B. Then the locus of centroid of the triangle OAB is dash. Here, the circle always passes through origin and cuts the coordinate axis at capital A, capital B. It is the origin. Let the circle cuts the x-axis at capital A, 0, and y-axis at capital B, 0, comma b. Okay. Now we find the locus of the centroid of this triangle OAB. This triangle OAB centroid. We find the locus of the centroid of the triangle OAB. Okay. The circle must be passes through origin. Let the circle cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0. Let the circle cuts the x-axis at capital A comma 0, and y-axis at capital B, 0, comma B. Okay. Now we find the centroid of locus of this triangle OAB. What is the centroid of triangle OAB? Triangle OAB centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That means 0 plus a plus 0 by 3, a by 3, 0 plus 0 plus b by 3. That means b by 3. A by 3 comma b by 3. Okay. But we find the locus of the centroid of the triangle. Say gx1 y1 be the locus of the centroid of the triangle. Let gx1 y1 be the locus of the centroid of the triangle OAB. Then gx1 y1 is equal to a by 3 comma b by 3. That implies a is equal to 3x1, b is equal to 3y1. Okay. A is equal to a by 3 is equal to x1. That means a is equal to 3x1. B by 3 is equal to y1. That means b is equal to 3y1. By eliminating a and b, we get the required locus. How we eliminate AB? Here, AB is nothing but this angle is 90 degrees. AB is nothing but diameter of the circle. AB is nothing but diameter of the circle. Say this is radius 2r. Clearly AB is equal to 2r. Clearly AB is equal to 2r. Triangle OAB is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, circumcenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Okay, that means hypotenuse is equal to diameter of the circumcircle. That means AB is nothing but AB is equal to 2r. AB is equal to 2r. Here, radius of the circle is already given 3k. Radius of the circle is equal to constant and is 3k. R is equal to 3k. That means AB is equal to 6k. AB square is equal to 36k square. Okay, but the distance between A and B is A square plus B square. Under root A square plus B square means 4 square means A square plus B square. That implies A square plus B square is equal to 36k square. But actually A is equal to 3x1 and B is equal to 3y1. We find the relation between A, B and x1, y1. Okay, substitute the value of A is equal to 3x1. That means 9x1 square plus 9y1 square is equal to 36k square. That implies x1 square plus y1 square is equal to 4k square. Therefore, locus of the centroid of the triangle is x square plus y square is equal to 4k square. X square plus y square is equal to 4k square. It is the locus of the centroid of the triangle. Okay. In this case, we eliminate the parameters AB. We take A comma B are parameters. By eliminating AB, we get the required locus. Okay. Next, 10th one. The circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus k is equal to 0 neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis. Neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis, and the point 1, 4 lies inside of the circle. Then what is the range of k? And the point 1, 4 lies inside of the circle, then what is the value of k? Very, very important. What is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus k is equal to 0. Say S is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus k is equal to 0 with the circle, given circle. Here, what is the value of g? G is equal to minus 3. Compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. 2g is equal to minus 6 means g is equal to minus 3. F is equal to minus 5. C is equal to k. Okay. Here, the circle neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis. That means neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis means the circle is in this way. If the circle cuts the x-axis in this way, touches the x-axis in this way, neither touch nor intersect the x-axis means the completely above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Similarly, neither touch nor intersect the y-axis means the circle is right side of the y-axis or left side of the y-axis. When it is possible, if the circle neither touch nor intersect the x-axis, then what is the condition? G square minus c less than 0. If the circle neither touch nor intersect the y-axis, what is the condition? F square minus c less than 0. Okay? By using that conditions, we find the range of k. Since the circle neither touch nor intersect the coordinate axis, that means neither touch the x-axis, neither touch nor intersect the x-axis. Okay, neither touch nor intersect the y-axis. That means g square minus c less than 0, f square minus c less than 0. Okay, g square means 9 minus c means k less than 0. That means k greater than 9. F square minus c greater than 0 means 25 minus c less than 0. Sorry, 25 minus c less than 0. That means c less than 25 minus k. Okay. 25 minus k less than 0. That means k greater than 25. That means k greater than 25. Next, another condition. The point 1, 4 lies inside of the circle. If the point P, x1, y1 lies inside of the circle S is equal to 0, what is the condition? S11 less than 0. And the point 1, 4 lies inside of the circle. So, S11 less than 0. S11 means here x1, y1 is equal to 1, 4. What is the value of S11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. That means x1 square means x1 y1 is equal to 1. 1 square plus 4 square minus 6 into 1. Okay. Minus 10 into 4 plus k less than 0. That means 1 plus 16 minus 6 minus 40 plus k less than 0. Finally, we get 1 plus 16 minus 6 means 10. 10 plus 1 means 11. 11 minus 40. 11 minus 40. That means 29 plus k less than 0. K less than minus 29. K less than minus 29. K less than minus 29. Okay. By using these three conditions, we find the value of k. Common solution of these three equations is said to be required value range of k. Okay. Here S11 less than 0 means k less than minus 29. K less than minus 29. Okay, na? 16. Sorry. It is minus 29. Sorry. K less than plus 29. K less than plus 29. Finally, we get k greater than 9. First equation. Second one, k greater than 25. Third equation, k less than 29. By using the number line, we find the common solution. First, k greater than 9, more than 9. Okay. K greater than 25. Okay. K less than 29. K less than 29 is here, less than. The common solution of these values is k belongs to 25 to 9. K belongs to 25 to 9. In some cases, the question is in this way. Find the number of integral values of k by satisfying these conditions. Integers in between 25 to 29 are 26, 27, 28. Number of possible integral values of k is 3. Okay. Please note this point. Next, 11th one. The equation of image of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. The equation of the image of the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. By the method line, x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is dash. Here the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. G is equal to minus 3, f is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1. Compare this equation with the standard form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So g minus 3, f minus 2, c. Center of the circle is equal to minus g comma minus f, that is equal to 3 comma 2. And radius of the circle is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. G square plus n square minus c means G square means 9 plus 4 minus 12. Root 13 minus 12 means 1. Radius of the circle is 1. Now we find the image of this circle with respect to the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Mirror line is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Suppose this is one of the line. This is the circle. Say the image of the circle is in this way. How we find the image? The radius of this circle is same as the radius of the image circle. Here the radius of the circle is 1. Here also the radius of the circle is 1. Okay. For getting the circle, center and radius are required. Here radius is 1. To find the center, to find this center of this circle, we consider the image of the point of the given circle with respect to the mirror line. For getting the center of the circle, say center C h comma k. Here the center of the circle is equal to 3 comma 2. Here center of the required circle is nothing but image of the point 3 comma 2 with respect to the line x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. We know the image of the point with respect to the line is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Say h comma, let h comma k be the center of the required circle, that means image circle. Radius of the required circle is also 1. Given circle radius 1, radius of the required circle is 1. So h minus x1 means x1 y1 is 3 comma 2. H minus 3 by the line equation is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 is equal to k minus 2 by 1 is equal to minus 2 of 3 plus 2 minus 1 by a square plus b square means 2. 2 cancel. H minus 3 by 1 is equal to k minus 2 by 1 is equal to, here 3 plus 2 means 5 minus 1 4 minus 4. So h minus 3 is equal to minus 4. H is equal to minus 4 plus 3 means minus 1. K is equal to minus 4 plus 2 means minus 2. So center of the circle is minus 1 comma minus 2. Center of the required circle is minus 1 comma minus 2. Radius is 1. So the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That implies x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 1 square. It is the equation of the required circle. Radius of the given circle is equal to radius of the image circle. Center of the image circle is nothing but it is the image of the given circle center with respect to the mirror line. With respect to the mirror line. For finding the image point, h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. By using that formula, we find the center of the image circle. Center of the image circle. Okay. Next. 12th one. The equation of the circumscribing the triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 3 is dash. The equation of circumscribing the triangle formed by the lines x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 3. Circumscribing the triangle is nothing but circumcircle. Equation of the circumcircle. From the given x is equal to 1 is one of the line. X is equal to 1 is nothing but vertical line. Okay. Y is equal to 1 is nothing but horizontal line. It is y is equal to 1. X plus y is equal to 3 is one of this line. Clearly the triangle formed by this value is right angle triangle. Clearly the triangle formed by the given lines is right angle triangle. The circumcircle passing through these words is ABC. Suppose say that values are ABC. It is the required circle equation. Here A is the point of intersection of the lines x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 1. That means it is 1 comma 1. Okay. For getting B, it is the equation of x plus y is equal to 3. By solving y is equal to 1 and x plus y is equal to 3, this point is y value 1. That means x is equal to 2 comma 1. Next, for getting C, put x is equal to 1 in this equation. 1 comma 2. These are the vertices of a triangle. It is the right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, BC is hypotenuse. It is nothing but diameter of the circumcircle. If the diameter endpoints are given, what is the equation of the circle? X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Here x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 1 and x2 y2 is equal to 1 comma 2. Substitute these values, we get the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle circumscribing the triangle formed by that lines. Okay.